Good morning, shining stars. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Today we will do English work, and in English we will do Magic E. Dear children, do you know what is Magic E? Okay, I will tell you. The Magic E usually changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. For example, cut into cute. Now let's have a look on more examples. Now look at the first picture. What is this? Tub. T-a-b, tub. When we add magic E, it becomes tube. T-u-b-e, tube. So magic E changes short vowel into long vowel. Now look at this picture. What is this? Kit. K-a-t, kit. When we add magic E in it, it becomes kite. K-I-T-E, kite. So magic E changes short vowel into long vowel. Now look at this picture. What is this? Hop. H-o-p, hop. When we add magic E in it, it becomes hope. H-O-P-E, hope. So magic E changes short vowel into long vowel. Now open page number 19 in your English workbook and let's see what it says. Magic E. But before we start the work, what we will do, we have to write down today's date and day over there. Can you tell me what date is today? Today is 8. So here we will write down 8 dot 1 dot 2021. Very good. Here we have to write down today's day. What day is today? Today is Friday. So spell with me F-R-I, fry, D-A-Y, day, Friday. Very good. Now let's read the caption again. Magic E. Now what is magic E? The magic E usually changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. Example, cut into cute. Very easy work. This is magical work. In that, what we will do, we have short vowel words. So we will put magic E with them. So it will change into long vowel. For example, look, this is cut. When we put magic E with it, what it become? Cute. So very interesting and magical work. So let's start. Before we start the work, let's do an activity of magic E. As you know, what did a magic E do? Magic E changes the short vowel into long vowel. Now let's have a look on this word. What is this? B-A-T, bit. Which word is this? Bit. Here E is a short vowel. So which word is this? Bit. Now when we add magic E here, look. Now which word is this? B-I-T-E, bite. Now magic E changed this word into long vowel. Bite. Here this is long vowel and which word is this? Bite. Repeat after me. Bite. So magic E changes the short vowel into long vowel. Before it was bit, and when we add magic E, this is bite. Very good. Now let's have a look on this word. What is this? Tap, tap. So this is short vowel. Tap, tap. Now when we add magic E with it, now it is tape. So magic E changes short vowel into long vowel. When we remove magic E, what is this? Tap. When we add magic E with 8. Wait, what is this? Tape. T-A-P-E. Tape. Here this is long vowel. So magic E changes short vowel into long vowel. What is this? Tape. Now let's have a look on this word. What is this? Her. Again this is short vowel, and when we add magic E with it, now this is hair. So magic E changes short vowel into long vowel. This is long vowel. H-E-R-E. Hair. So magic E changes the short vowel into long vowel. Now which word is this? Hair. And before, which word is this? Her. Now we add magic E. What is this? Hair. Very good. Now let's revise them again. B-it, bit. When we add magic E here, this is bite. Which word is this? B-I-T-E. Bite. Now which word is this? Tap. Tap. When we add magic E with it, what is this? Tape. T-A-P-E. Tape. Very good. Now which word is this? Her. Her. Now when we add magic E with it, now which word is this? Hair. Which word is this? Hair. So when we add magic E into short vowel, it changes into long vowel. Very good. So let's start. Read with me. Find the magic E words and circle them. Very easy work. What we have to do, we have to find out the magic E words from here and we have to circle them. So let's start. The first word is cut. This is magic E word. No. So we will not circle it. Tap. This is magic E word. No. So we will not circle it. B-I-T-E. Bite. This is a magic E word. Bite. Yes. So what we will do? We will circle it because this is magic E word. Very good. Now hug. This is magic E word. No. So we will not circle it. Now F-I-N-E. Fine. This is magic E word. Yes. So what we will do? We will circle it. Very good. Now next word is M-A-K-E. Make. This is magic E word. Yes. So we will circle it. Very good. Now bit. It is a magic E word. No. So we will not circle it. Pet. This is magic E word. No. So we will not circle it. Not. It is a magic E word. No. Hat. It is a magic E word. No. Some. It is a magic E word. No. So we will not circle it. M-I-N-E. Mine. It is a magic E word. Mine. Yes. So we will circle it. Very good. Now C-U-T-E. Cute. It is a magic E word. Cute. Yes. So we will circle it. Very good. Now next word is M-A-D-E. Made. It is a magic E word. Made. Yes. So we will circle it. Very good. Now the last word is P-I-N-E. Pine. It is a magic E word. Pine. Yes. So what we will do? We will circle it. Very good. Now let's read the magic E words again. Fine, make, bite, mine, cute, made, pine. Very good. Now let's move to next. Read the words below. Add a silent E to the end of each word to make a new word. This is magical word. So We can call E as a magic E as well, or we can call it silent E as well. Both are same. Magic E is same and silent E is same. We can call it magic E and we can call it silent E as well. So let's start the work. The first word is C-U-T, cut. Cut. Now what we will do, we have to put silent E here. So let's write E here. Now let's see which word is this. Cute. Now look, the word has changed. The first, before E, it was cut. Now when we add magic E, so now the new word is cute. Very good. Now let's read the next word. Bit. Now let's add the magic E and we will see now which word is this. Now tell me which word is this. Bite. Very good. Now when we add magic E with it, it will make a new word, that is bite. Very good. Now let's move to next. Hug. Which word is this? Hug. Now let's put the magic E and we will see now which new word will come. Now tell me which word is this? Huge. Huge. Which word is this? Huge. Very good. Now let's move to next. Tap. Which word is this? Tap. Now let's add the magic E. This is very interesting work. Now we will add magic E. Now tell me which word is this? Tape. 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 Very good. Now let's move to next. Her. Now let's put magic E with it and we will see now which word is this? Here. Hair. Hair. Very good. Now let's move to next. Pin. Now let's add magic E word here, or you can say silent E. Now let's see which word is this. Pine. 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 Very good. So now what we will do, we will color it. Then after that we will revise it again. Coloring is done. Now let's revise it. Magic E. The magic E usually changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. Example, cut into cute. Now let's read the magic E words here. Fine, make, bite, mine, cute, made, pine. Very good. And now after that we make some new magic E words here. Let's read them again. Cute, bite, huge, tape, hair, pine. Very good. So this is your today's work. Now complete your work. Goodbye.